Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to your YouTube channel and welcome to this very interesting and very exciting video today. As you must be aware, I am working with several courses and in some of them I need to use power system analysis software in order to produce data that then can we use inside data analytic problems. So one of the useful software or useful libraries that you can find for power system analysis received the name PandaPower. PandaPower is a very famous library that allows you to do power system modeling, analysis, and optimization. So this software, this library, as you can see over here, is basically a data library that is created over what we call pandas. So it's combining these library pandas, but also a toolbox that was created earlier that is called PyPower. So PandaPower is a combination of those. PandaPower builds on data analysis, library Panda, and then combined with power system analysis. So one of the things is that PandaPower is open. PandaPower allows you to do many studies, and what is important is that is allowing you to run power flow, optimal power flow, state estimation, and short circuit calculation. So PandaPower is one of those software that we can use and we will be using in this course. So I highly suggest that you be familiar with this. PandaPower, as you can see, there is plenty documentation. There are examples. You can read over here the documentation, but also there are many examples that you can find, for instance, in GitHub. So if you are using a normal Python installation, you can use the classical pip to install PandaPower. However, in this video, as we have been using Anaconda. So today the plan is to see if we can use here inside Anaconda PandaPower. So the reality is, yes, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. In fact, let me open here the terminal. Yes, over here you can see that in this case, we are inside the environment FG-Longatt, okay? So if you want to install PandaPower inside Anaconda, what you need to go is into, again, the Anaconda documentation. And inside the Anaconda documentation, you will find here that there is one package that is called PandaPower. So it's extremely simple. What I will do is basically copy this command line over here. And what I will do is basically inside the command window, inside the terminal, I will put that command line, okay? That is basically what I will do. So now I press enter, and you can see that in a few seconds, you can see that there is a connection between the computer and the platform that is located, the repository for PandaPower. And you can see that right now they are installing the library. So they are solving the environment, start to download things. That will take a few minutes. So let's wait that Anaconda establish the connection, download, unpack, and make ready PandaPower in order to be used. So as you can see right now, you can see that we already processed this, and as you can see, let me maximize here. You can see that Anaconda connected to Conda Force PandaPower and download the certificate and other components, a total of 10.6 megabytes. Then proceeds to the installation, and finally everything was ready for that. So let me go back here to let me go back here and let me check here. Where is PandaPower? So okay, Pando. Let me go back here. This is the base. And let me again activate here. And now I believe that the environment FG-Longatt 1 should be updated and must be ready inside PandaPower for use. And let me see. PandaPower is here, and you can see that we have installed version 2.14.9. So yes, this is all for this video. We have successfully installed PandaPower here. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you at the next one. Bye now.